Hello, once again. I'm Susan Littlefield. Going to have a great conversation with Nutrien Ag Solutions once again today. Spencer Harris joins us. He is the Senior Vice President of Global Retail Operations with Nutrien Ag Solutions. And we, Spencer, are in an ever-changing world that we are in. Where do you see when it comes to, technology and what's going to happen with our agricultural industry in the decade coming up?
Well, Susan, hey, thanks for having me. I look forward to the conversation today. Yeah, a decade is quite a long time, but I'll give you my best guesses. But definitely going to be technology and data driven. And I think about our customers today; they're having to go to 4, 5, 6 different places to get their data and to try to put it all together. I think there's going to be a real opportunity to see that come together using AI and analytics to give them the tools they need to be much more successful in analyzing that data. I think drones are going to be a big part of what we do from a scouting to a spraying, soil sensors, RTKs, all going to be part of the future of agriculture. I think what I'm excited about is what we're seeing on the biological side. We're really seeing these products work really well. Looking at it on top of other products has been a great opportunity for us. Soil biome is another area that I think is one that we don't talk a lot about, but understanding our soils. Some people say that soil is kind of like the ocean. We're just at the tip of the iceberg with others understanding it. And so I think soil biome is going to come a long way. I think to offset the labor issues, we're going to see autonomous equipment be used more. And then I think lastly, maybe the speed of farming is, the pace of what our customers are farming is going to continue to increase. So how do we keep up with our customers?
We've seen such a change in technology and agriculture. How do you compare it to like what we saw in the past when GMOs were first coming to the foresight?
The pace of technology is definitely coming at us in a rapid pace. I can say I was around when the GMOs first came out, and this does feel very similar to that. Between the short stature corn, soybean trait technologies, gene editing, AI-driven weed control, all these are going to transform the way we farm, and they're going to come at us rapidly.
So, what do you see as some of the biggest drivers when it comes to agriculture and these technologies?
Well, I'd be remiss. I hope everyone would say our customer will be the main driver for all these fueling all these accelerations. But I think that increasing costs to our customers are going to drive a lot of what we're seeing. So we think that understanding or coming forward with more nutrient efficiency products are going to be really important. Our biologicals again are going to be really important to help understand stress mitigation and some of the things that we're seeing across the corn belts now. And then as far as our crop protection products, I think managing weed resistance is going to be another key driver.
Artificial intelligence is not something we always think about when it comes to agriculture.
No, but I think it's more and more important to what we're doing, and it helps us move very quickly, and it also helps us understand the data much faster.
So, talk a little bit more about the biologicals and how you see that continue to take an important role in what we do in our farming operations.
Yeah, biologicals is our fastest growing segment in Nutrien Ag Solutions. And so we really feel like that's going to be more and more important as we bring things forward. We're really focused in the biological side around, enhanced plant resilience, improved nutrient uptake, boost soil activity, and reduce our plant stress. So we're really focused on bringing these products to market because they are delivering extremely positive results to our customers.
And you had talked a little bit too, Spencer, at the beginning about soil health. And I think biological soil health, the workings that our farmers do, all kind of comes together to bring some great product to the market.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's really where we're focused right now is understanding that at plant timing with us is if we can get those biologicals down at the time of planting, we're seeing some really quick and exciting results. But I will say, as far as results, we are testing these biologicals over 300 different trials across the U.S. to make sure these are coming. Like I said, we're getting a lot of these products coming at us very fast. But
Mhm.
we have to put them through the trials to make sure that they do what they say they're going to do, and we understand how we need to place them with our customers. It's when we get these products and just turn them in that we have some really poor results. And I think we have focused on both our innovation farms as well as our trials to understand these products extremely well before we go to market with them.
So you look at Nutrien strategy. How does the agronomic data and all the digital tools that you guys have play a role?
Yeah, I think data and analytics is again really important. Just from a supply chain, there's a lot of changes going on in this part of the business. So how do we understand supply chain? When do we need products? When do we deliver products? And how do we lower our cost of goods so our customers can benefit from that? So we're seeing a lot of that from data. Also, from a digital standpoint, our customers can track orders, we can manage invoices, we can view recommendations, see local weather, request credit. Our strategy is really to put the information at our customers' fingertips so they can move at the pace they need to move.
And you talked a little bit about the innovation farms you have. What a great way to give real life experience to what you're sharing with customers.
Yeah, this has really been a focal point of ours over the last few years. And, we think that the Innovation Farm, we just opened one in Champaign-Urbana, 200 acres. We want to test new products under real farming conditions. Our size of an organization gives us access to the newest products, but understanding how we use those products in not just a replicated trial, but in a large scale farming practice is
Mhm.
critical for us to make sure that they are winning every time we put them out. So we're trialing them to ensure that our customers know just how they fit within their operations.
So then what do you see, Spencer, as the future of ag technology?
Well, there's a lot of options there. They're coming at us and they're overwhelming, right? And how does a customer make decisions based on all the technology that's coming after them or at them? There's so many products fall short, and so trialing is a great way, and let us do that for our customers to ensure that we sell only the best products to them. And then I think more than anything, it's those local conversations that are so important for us. We need to discuss with our customers the problems that they're trying to solve and make sure we place the right products on their farms. And so we are committed to being their trusted partner.
Well, having said that, I think that just kind of gives you guys the step ahead and kind of becomes the leader in the industry because of all the background work you're doing.
Well, we feel like we are positioned to lead. I think we're committed to being the global leader in ag retail. We have 1,900 locations, 4,500 crop consultants, and we are investing in unique technologies in the proprietary products space. We're also investing in digital solutions. We're focused on optimizing our network so we can better serve our customer at a lower cost.
Talk a little bit more about those proprietary products,
Well, that's kind of
if you
near
can.
and dear to my heart. As part of my job, I get to lead our proprietary products line, and innovation is central to what we do. And so we are committed to developing new biostimulants. We are also advancing seed traits between our Dynagrow and our proven lines of seed. Without that, we're not a leader. So we've invested $500 million in R&D into new technologies in the biostimulant space. Plus, we're collaborating with dozens of companies to bring unique products to our customers. This is what I think helps set us apart from others in the industry.
Tell me a little bit more about the Loveland products and how that fits into everything that Nutrien Ag Solutions does.
Yeah, Loveland Products is our innovation engine. Our customers are changing, and they also are very challenged by high costs. So we can put products on their farm to help them use nutrients more efficiently. We have just launched the product Infinity, Titan XC, and Extract to really help with nutrient efficiencies because we know that fertilizer prices are high. And so we want to help them utilize and put out as much fertilizer into those soils as possible and extract as much as they can. All are exclusively tested and are exceeding our expectations.
What about biostimulant and the biological technology? How does that go in and growers adopting it and with Loveland products that you guys offer?
Yeah, I feel like I've said biostimulants a lot because I'm extremely excited about it and the way that they're advancing. It's really a focus area of Loveland products. And as I said earlier, it's our fastest growing segment. So we're trialing these over 300 trials in the US to make sure that they're working. And we feel like these are our future products. But I think what's exciting about biologicals is we see even better results when we put them alongside of conventional input products. So that synergistic effect has been extremely exciting to see when we see it out in the field trials.
There's so many things to be excited about that Nutrien Ag Solutions brings to our growers. For you, what is the key takeaway that you want those customers to think and future customers of Nutrien Ag Solutions?
Yeah, thanks. Our mission really is to help our customers be more efficient and profitable by integrating our full acre solutions, including our proprietary products, our regular products, our services, and technology. We're going to continue to invest in the innovation and to ensure that we have the best products out there. But we have that global scale, but we have that local expertise that allows us to bring a differentiated solution than our competitors.
Lots of exciting things yet to come for you. Spencer, thanks for taking some time to talk to us today.
Thanks so much for having me, Susan.
Goes for Spencer Harris. He's the Senior Vice President of Global Relations, Retail Operations with Nutrien Ag Solutions. I'm Susan Littlefield reporting.